Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden coffee table project ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the realm of modern decor, wooden coffee tables stand as not just functional pieces of furniture but also as significant focal points that foster deeper connections among family members, friends, and even the spaces they inhabit. Crafting a wooden coffee table allows artisans to infuse their individual creativity and personal stories into each piece, creating an object that resonates with warmth and authenticity. As these tables find their place in contemporary living spaces, they become more than mere surfaces for coffee mugs and magazines. They evolve into gathering spots that encourage conversation, relaxation, and connection. The process of designing and building a wooden coffee table can be an intimate journey for the artisan, one that reflects their unique style and understanding of modern aesthetics while also embracing the timeless appeal of natural materials. The choice of wood itself plays a critical role in this connection. Different types of wood possess distinct characteristics, colors, and grains that contribute not only to the aesthetic of the coffee table but also to the atmosphere of the space. For example, a table crafted from rich walnut can evoke a sense of luxury and sophistication, while a piece made from reclaimed barnwood might carry a rustic charm that tells a story of its past. This intrinsic storytelling element of wood allows the artisan to create a table that resonates with the values and preferences of the modern homeowner. When individuals choose a wooden coffee table for their living space, they often seek a piece that aligns with their lifestyle, interests, and even their memories. This shared understanding between maker and recipient deepens the connection, as both parties appreciate the craftsmanship and the narrative embedded within the wood. Moreover, the design process involved in creating a wooden coffee table fosters a dialogue between the artisan and the recipient. Today's consumers are increasingly interested in customized and handmade items that reflect their personal taste and style. As artisans engage with clients to design unique coffee tables, they often involve them in discussions about materials, colors, shapes, and functional needs. This collaborative approach not only allows the recipient to express their preferences, but also enables the artisan to understand the recipient's vision for their space. The resulting coffee table becomes a manifestation of this shared creative journey, bridging the gap between maker and recipient and fostering a deeper connection through the mutual investment in the project. In modern decor, the coffee table often serves as a versatile canvas for personal expression. It can be adorned with decorative items, books, plants, and cherished mementos, transforming the table into a reflection of the occupant's personalities and interests. When a wooden coffee table is crafted with intention, it invites these personal touches, encouraging families and friends to gather around it, share stories, and create memories. The emotional weight of a handcrafted table is palpable. It becomes a witness to life's moments, from casual coffee breaks to heartfelt conversations and celebrations. This sense of history and shared experience enriches the connection between the people who use the table and the artisan who created it, as both can appreciate the significance of the setting in which their interactions unfold. Furthermore, the tactile nature of wood adds another dimension to the relationship fostered by a wooden coffee table. The warmth of wood and the unique texture of its grain invite touch and interaction, enhancing the sensory experience of the space. When individuals gather around a coffee table, they are likely to lean in, touch the surface, and engage physically with the table, creating a sense of intimacy and connection. This tactile engagement is particularly important in a world increasingly dominated by digital interactions. The simple act of sharing a space around a beautifully crafted wooden table can ground people in the present moment, allowing them to connect on a deeper level. The natural variations in the wood's grain can also spark conversations about its origin, craftsmanship, and the stories it holds, further enriching the communal experience. Furthermore, the tactile nature of wood adds another dimension to the relationship fostered by a wooden coffee table. The warmth of wood and the unique texture of its grain invite touch and interaction, enhancing the sensory experience of the space. When individuals gather around a coffee table, they are likely to lean in, touch the surface, and engage physically with the table, creating a sense of intimacy and connection. This tactile engagement is particularly important in a world increasingly dominated by digital interactions. The simple act of sharing a space around a beautifully crafted wooden table can ground people in the present moment, allowing them to connect on a deeper level. The natural variations in the wood's grain can also spark conversations about its origin, craftsmanship, and the stories it holds, further enriching the communal experience. The role of wooden coffee tables in modern decor also intersects with the growing trend of sustainability and eco-conscious living. As more consumers seek out furniture that reflects their values, artisans who prioritize sustainable practices in their crafting process can foster connections that resonate on ethical levels. For instance, using reclaimed wood not only reduces waste but also imbues the coffee table with a sense of history and character. The narrative behind reclaimed materials often resonates with individuals who value sustainability, making the coffee table a symbol of responsible living. This shared commitment to environmental stewardship can deepen the bond between maker and recipient, as both appreciate the significance of choosing sustainable materials that honor the planet. Moreover, the act of crafting a wooden coffee table can be a meditative and reflective process for artisans, allowing them to pour their thoughts and emotions into their work. This mindfulness often translates into the final product, as the energy and intention behind its creation can be felt by those who use it. When recipients engage with a coffee table that has been crafted with care and purpose, they may find themselves not only appreciating its beauty but also sensing the stories and feelings embedded within it. This emotional connection can transform the coffee table into a cherished piece of furniture that holds sentimental value, symbolizing relationships, shared experiences, and the artistry of its maker. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The modern decor landscape often embraces a mix of styles, and wooden coffee tables can seamlessly integrate into various aesthetics, from minimalist to bohemian to industrial. This versatility allows artisans to experiment with different designs, shapes, and finishes, creating one-of-a-kind pieces that resonate with contemporary sensibilities. As artisans reflect on current design trends, they can also draw inspiration from traditional woodworking techniques and styles, merging the old with the new. This fusion of influences can lead to innovative designs that speak to the modern homeowner's desire for authenticity and uniqueness in their living spaces. When recipients choose a handcrafted table that aligns with their decor, they engage in a meaningful dialogue about beauty, function, and individuality, forging a deeper connection with both the piece and its creator. Furthermore, the communal aspect of wooden coffee tables extends to the way they facilitate gatherings and social interactions. In many homes, the coffee table becomes the centerpiece for family game nights, casual dinners, or cozy movie marathons, encouraging people to come together and share experiences. The table acts as a stage for these interactions, fostering connections among family members and friends. When individuals gather around a table that has been thoughtfully crafted, they are more likely to feel a sense of belonging and togetherness, creating an atmosphere conducive to open communication and bonding. This communal spirit can be amplified by the stories shared about the table's creation, the materials used, and the artisan behind it, allowing everyone present to appreciate the significance of the piece in their collective experiences. The act of gifting a wooden coffee table can also serve as a powerful gesture that reinforces connections between the giver and the recipient. When someone chooses to present a handcrafted table as a gift, it symbolizes thoughtfulness and consideration, as the giver has likely taken the time to select a piece that aligns with the recipient's style and needs. This act of giving goes beyond mere material exchange. It conveys a message of appreciation, love, and understanding. The recipient, in turn, may feel a sense of gratitude and connection to the giver, knowing that the table will serve as a lasting reminder of their relationship. This emotional significance can transform the coffee table into a cherished heirloom, passed down through generations, serving as a tangible link to memories and connections shared over the years. In addition to personal connections, wooden coffee tables can play a role in fostering a sense of community within neighborhoods and shared living spaces. In communal living arrangements, such as co-housing or shared apartments, a handcrafted coffee table can serve as a central gathering point for residents to come together, share meals, and engage in conversations. As trends in modern decor continue to evolve, the role of wooden coffee tables remains significant, serving as vessels for connection and creativity. Artisans who embrace the challenge of crafting unique pieces contribute to a rich tapestry of design and storytelling, creating tables that reflect the diverse experiences and values of contemporary society. Each coffee table becomes a canvas for personal expression, a platform for shared experiences, and a symbol of the relationships that define our lives. The deep connections fostered by these pieces extend not only to the individuals involved, but also to the spaces they inhabit, transforming homes into havens of warmth, creativity, and togetherness. Wooden coffee tables in modern decor serve as far more than mere furniture. They are integral to fostering deeper connections between makers and recipients, as well as among family and friends. Through the careful selection of materials, the collaborative design process, and the emotional narratives embedded within each piece, artisans create coffee tables that resonate on multiple levels. The tactile and sensory experiences associated with wood enhance the relationships formed around these tables, inviting touch and interaction that ground individuals in the present moment. As sustainability becomes increasingly important, the use of reclaimed materials and eco-friendly practices deepens the connections forged through these pieces, aligning values between maker and recipient. Ultimately, wooden coffee tables embody the spirit of togetherness, serving as a reminder of the importance of connection, creativity, and community in our lives. Through shared experiences and meaningful interactions, these tables become cherished elements of modern decor, enriching our homes and the relationships we hold dear. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden coffee table craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.